I just played with this Mukar V07 on this Skoda Rapid, and I found out that if you need scanner that will work for all car brands, but then if you also need scanner that will have that advanced functionality for VAG vehicles, same like VCDS, this Mukar scan tool might be the perfect answer. For this Mukar I actually paid less than for VCDS. VCDS was like 450 euro for OEM version, and it comes with 3 years of free updates. And not only it works for all car brands, check the advanced functionality it has for VAG vehicles. Like, this is really impressive. Now when you connect Mukar to VAG vehicle, you will get access to guided functions. Load file. Now I have to input engine type. This is 63 kilowatt. Now we have system list, special function, vehicle detection. I can even, if I read fault codes here, it will look very similar like reading codes with VCDS or OBDeleven. Reading is done. Now I will go to fault list, and here we have all faults with fault code numbers, same like you would read with VAG dedicated OBD2 scanner like OBDeleven or VCDS. Now if I go to next tab, display setting, show list of system for actual configuration, so this will show systems we can work with. Here is systems in my car. For example, let's do electronic, central electric, guided functions. See, and now I got list of guided functions this scanner can do for me without me having to do any coding. And this is just for one control module. For example, adapt automatic locking at 15 km per hour. So if I select this means the door will lock automatically once I reach 15 km. As you could guess, we have instructions, connect diagnostic connector, switch ignition on. This program will give you option to adapt automatic locking at 15 km. Okay. And now I can either activate it or deactivate it. Let's say I want to disable it. I will select deactivate. And scanner will do this adaptation for me. See, it is done. Now the doors will not lock. And then if you go to another control module, you will get list of different guided functions for that module. And then if we code these features ourselves, we will get a lot more options we can customize. But first let me show you, it can also do online function, but I'm not sure how to really work with this, because if you go to online coding, it will download some documents. For example, I will do single system mode. Once again, I will go to electronic central electrics. But now I got possible code that I could change, but it will not tell me what will change with this code. So I mean, I don't really use this, but it has online coding if you are interested in that. But don't worry, this Mukar can actually give you full long coding helper, same like you know from VCDS or OBDeleven. You just have to use not online coding, but you need to go to system selection. One more time, we will go to central electric. Now we are inside central electric, so body control module. And not only you get functionality of bidirectional scanner, so read codes, clear codes, do component testing, freeze frame data, all of that will work for any car. Mukar for VAG car will also give you all that special VAG functionality, adaptation, basic settings, access permission, coding, long coding, online login and identification service. So if I want to unlock some hidden features for my Skoda Rapid, I can go to this long coding, main control unit code, and check this out. This is great. This is full long coding helper. Same like VCDS, this is code for whole control module. And then each 2 digits in this code represent one page with settings. See, it starts with 62, and 62 is first page of settings. And if I scroll down, here are actual settings that I can change. Same like before, check auto lock, automatic locking above 15 kilometers. I can enable this, which will change hex code for this byte, so one page. After I change these settings, the code for this page is not 62 anymore, but 30. And this would change in the whole control module code as well. And this is just one page. Check this out, I can go to next page. Here is only one setting. another page. Every page has some different settings. And since Mukar have this long coding helper, it will tell you for every option what it will change. And it will change code for you. It is very similar long coding helper as we know from VCDS. And it is really amazing that you got it in bidirectional scan tool that actually costs less than VCDS and work for all other cars as well. I actually have full VAG coding guide that will teach you how to work with long coding adaptations and all that, not only with OBDeleven but also with other diagnostic tools. It is completely free, so if you want to learn how to do coding for VAG, you can download it in the description. When coding new stuff for your VAG car, you will also need adaptation. You can read by list or channel. If you want to read by channel, you need to know adaptation channel number. I don't know that, so I do list. And this will give me explanation for these channels. So I don't need to know channel number. Mukar will tell me what number is for which settings. Let me show you example. I will go to different control module. Let's do instrument cluster. Go to adaptation and see all of this VAG functionality is available in every control module, not only body. Go to adaptation, check this indicator celebration. Let me hop inside rapid. Indicator celebration means, look, if I turn key, nothing will happen now. Let me select indicator celebration. Shut up. Press OK. I want to change it to active. Save. And when I turn key now, check this. See how the needles do spin? We did that with just one simple adaptation. So you have long coding, adaptation, basic settings, access permission, online secure login, really all of that functionality you need to professionally work with VAG vehicles. You will be able to do service procedures, unlock hidden features, disable unwanted features. For example, one annoying feature is start-stop system, which most people hate. With this Mukar scanner, if you go to engine control module, adaptation, check this activation of start-stop. Here is already not active. If it's active, here I could disable it with simple adaptation. So for VAG cars, if you like that OBDeleven and VCDS functionality, but you don't want to have extra device, for OBDeleven you need smartphone, for VCDS you need laptop, and you also need scanner that will work for all other cars. I mean Mukar or ThinkDiag too, but Mukar comes with tablet and it comes with 3 years of free updates. And it's also faster and it's easier to work with because you got big screen compared to small smartphone screen. Okay, so after testing this Mukar, I can say it is amazing overall tool that works not only for VAG cars with special functionality, but also for all other brands as well. I must say I am really impressed. Now it shouldn't be such a surprise. I used ThinkDiag for more than 2 years and I am really amazed with that tool, but this is even better. You got tablet, you got 3 years of free updates, and it seems to have even more functionality than ThinkDiag too. And it's such a cheap scan tool. Go check out all the links. I will give you multiple links where you can buy. I bought on AliExpress and they give me like extra €50 discount. You can see there is option to gain discount code. Maybe you still can have it. Go check it out. I will put links to different stores in description and you can check where is the best price for you.